Good morning students. Today start the exercise 11.3 question number 6. Question number 6 is asked then a described have a two figure of the right are like have a three different likes. Which box has the largest surface? You show that first diagram is a cylinder and second is a cube. Okay, and last class will be explain the difference between cube, cylinder and that. Okay, so that what is it? They are different and similar like. So that like में you write both have same height. Both are same height. If the height is here is a height is 7 and this is the height is 7. Okay, and difference is a now difference is a first is a cylinder, that means one of a cylinder. Okay, and second is a cube, the other is cube. This is the difference of given. And next ask the question, which box has the largest lateral surface area? Lateral surface area is a curved surface area. Okay, now we first will be cylinder. Okay, now curved surface area CSA, it is the curved surface area. Yeah, second name is LSA, is a lateral surface area is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Now solve. Is 2 into pi is a 22 upon 7 is a constant value. R is a d. Here will be given the diameter, that means the d upon 2 into h. Now 2 into 22 upon 7 into d is a, the value of d is a 7. The value of d is equal to 7 means 7 upon 2 into h value is a 7 upon 1. Now 2 to 2 cancel, 7 to 7 cancel, it's the 22 multiplies 7 is 7 to the 14 and 1 carry 7 to the 14 and 5 is a, the unit is centimeter square. So this is the lateral surface area of cylinder. Okay, next will we find the lateral surface area of cube, because second diagram, yes, second figure is a cube, that the 4 into side square. 4 into side square means 4 into side is a 7 into 7, that is 4 into 7 into 7 is 49. 4 9 is a 36. 36 is a 3 and 4 4 is a 16. 16 and 3 is a 1 is 196 centimeter square. That is a 144 and this is the 196. It's mean that the 196 is greater than 154. Okay, that is the, it's mean the larger lateral surface area is, ये लिख सकते हैं that cube have lateral surface area. Now question number 7, a closed cylindrical tank, a radius is 7 meter. Okay, radius is a 7 meter and height is a 3 meter, made from the sheet. Okay, and the metal, how much will be sheet will of metal is required. Okay, so that is make a cylinder, this type of cylinder to make. Okay, by metal sheet is given that the radius is 7 meter and height is 3 meter. Okay, a full cylinder, you have make a full cylinder means find the total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder means you have find in the bracket total required metal sheet. Okay, total surface area of the required metal sheet is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Okay, this is the curved surface area, and down surface there are two circle and one sheet after opening. So 2 pi r is the area of this sheet, and pi r square plus pi r square, the upper circle and down circle. And now solve 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Pi r square is a 2 pi r square. Now 2 common, pi common and r common, that is the h plus r. Okay, now fill the value. 2 into pi 22 upon 7, value of r. Value of r is a 7 in the bracket 3 plus 7. 7 cancel, is 2 into 22 into 10. Okay, now total multiply is centimeter. Sorry, centimeter, this the unit is meter. Meter square. The total surface area of a cylinder is 440. It's mean the total required metal sheet is 440. Question number 8. Question number 8 is the largest surface area, the lateral surface area of the hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. It is cut along of the height. Is given that one is a cylinder, is a hollow cylinder, and the area is the lateral surface area is 224 centimeter square. Okay, and cut along, it's mean the cut and this type of cut. After that, then she is a rectangle sheet, and it's called the breadth is 33 centimeter, and find the parameter. So this rectangle sheet is parameter is 2 into L plus B. B is given that the 33, L is not given. Okay, so now find the L. So now write the let length of a rectangle sheet is L. Okay, and lateral surface area of hollow cylinder is equal to area of a rectangular sheet. Okay, because is suppose this is the rectangle sheet and fold this type, fold make a hollow cylinder. Okay, and cut along their part in two. This is a rectangular sheet. It is the lateral surface area of the cylinder. This is the lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to area of the rectangle. Now it means 2 pi r h is equal to L into B. Yeah, use the capital, so you write the capital L into B, and 2 pi r h is given that 4224 is equal to L into 33. 33 is a breadth. Now 4224 upon 33 is equal to L. 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, and 12, 3 4 is 12, the 0 not 8 times 34, again 11 1 is 11, 11 1 is 11, now 30, okay, 11, now 1408, 11, 11 1 is 11 is 3 0, 11 2 is 22 is 8, and that is a 8 time, means 128. okay, it's mean the length of a rectangle is 128 centimeter. okay, then you find the length of the rectangle. Now find the area parameter. Now we write parameter, because question is asked the parameter of the rectangle sheet. The parameter of rectangular sheet is 2 into L plus B, means 2 L is to find 128 and B is 33. 128 and 33, add 8 3 11, 1 6 and 1, 161, 2 into 161. After multiplication, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 2 6 is 12, 1 2 3 is centimeter. So that the parameter of the rectangle sheet is 322. Question number 9. Question number 9 is given a road roller takes 750 complete rotational in the move on once over the level of the road. okay, and find the area of the road. Their diameter is, road roller is 84 and length is 1 meter. okay, so diameter road roller is this type of shape. okay, this is the road roller. okay, and only the part will be touch, only this part is a touch on the road. So this is the curved surface area of the road roller and surface of the cylinder, and this is the given the height, the road radius. Diameter means this is the length, total diameter is given 84 centimeter, and the height means this part is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, because it is the value of centimeter. okay, so you write a once time. okay, so first you find the radius. okay, so the road roller is a cylinder, that means whose radius is equal to diameter upon 2. Diameter is 84 upon 2 is equal to 42 centimeter. okay, and height, because this is length and this is the height, and height, yeah, same is the length, is equal to h is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, because they are all unit in the same unit. okay, now we first you find the curve surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. okay, curve surface area of cylinder, in bracket the area of road in 1 revolution by roller. okay, by 1 roller is equal to 2 pi r h, means 2 into 22 upon 7 into value of r is a 42 and height is a 100. Cancel they 6 times. It means 44 into 600. 44 into 600. Now multiply. 6 4 is 24 is 4 and 6 4 is 24. 24 and 26. Now with 2 centimeter square. It is the area of only one time will be rotate. Okay, the total rotation is 750 complete. Okay, now total 750. okay, यह लिख सकते हैं द टोटल एरिया लेवल्ड by the roller in 750 revolution. So it's mean 26400 into 750. Okay, after multiplication, after multiplication you decide to multiply 246 into 75 and 1 2 3 0 will be put. 5 3 ja 5 30 30 0 3 23 and 12 7 6 ja 42 4 carry 7 4 ja 28 29 32 3 carry 7 2 ja 14 15 16 17. तो 0 5 4 8 1 correct. One time I check again is 264 into 75. okay, now 5 4 ja 20 is 2 carry 30 31 32 is 3 carry and 10 is a 13 7 4 ja 8 it carries 2 42 and 2 44 4 carry and 7 2 is 14 15 16 17 18. now 0 0 8 9 1. It's mean 19800 centimeter square and change into meter. That 1980000 upon 100 into 100. The 0 cancel. His answer is 1980 meter square is a total area with labeling after 750 revolution. Question number 10. Question number 10. A company pack in the milk powder will be cylindrical content whose base is the diameter is 14. Okay, diameter is 14 and height is 20. This is the measurement of the cylindrical cone. Now, and company packed label around the surface of the container. If the label placed to 2 cm from and top, 2 cm from and top will be remaining the what is the area of the surface area of the label. Okay, this is the shape and total height is 20 and diameter is 14. The label will be, I will mark 2 cm down and 2 cm up. They are not labeling. To find the area of the only label. So that total height, total height is height of cylinder is 20 centimeter. Okay, and cover by label. Okay, label is top and bottom is equal to 2 centimeter. Label no cover by not cover the label top and bottom 2. So remaining the height of label. Okay, height of is 20 minus 2 plus 2. Okay, 2 is down minus 2 up minus, so that is a 20 minus 4 is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, and radius of label is d upon 2, and d is given 14. It means 14 upon 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. So 2 value will be fine. To find that, because the label is only curve, not up and down, they are around. It's mean curved surface area of cylinder is equal to area of label is equal to 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r value is 7 and 16. So this is a cancel. 2 to 44 into 16. Now multiply 44 into 16. 6 4 is 24. 2 6 4 is 24 and 26 and 44 407. Okay, it's mean the total area is 740 centimeter square, the area of the label.